I'm not a very smart Californian. Or truck driver, apparently. I'm on my way up to Lebanon, Tennessee. Figured I could outrun the storm. I was wrong. So now here I am. Stuck in a snowstorm with no heater, no defroster, and the passenger, what do you call it? The passenger thing that broke. Oh yeah, you like my mittens? Yeah. Oh. But yeah. Stuck in a snowstorm. Just to show you. Yep. No heater, but at least I have hand warmers. I have mittens. These are so cool. Look at that. Then you just put them back on. Oh. And I have my blankie, and I have a heated blankie, and games, and a charger, and 3/4 of a tank of gas, and I'm stopped at a gas station, and I have food in the back if I need it. I mean, I might be in a kind of crap situation, and I was so thinking about calling off work. I'm a company driver, and I was so like, oh, maybe I don't need to go. It's kind of cold today. It's a little wet. A lot of thunderstorms. Felt like I was getting flooded out. I'm actually really thankful I'm chunky right now. Because if I was any skinnier, I wouldn't be able to stand this weather. And then I got my hair. My hair's working as an insulator right now. Whoo-wee. Good thing I haven't even cut that. My hair goes down past my butt. So I'm very thankful I have a lot of hair right now. My hair was built for winter. Me? Not so much. But my hair, definitely. Anyway, everybody stay safe out there. See you later.